Welcome back, everybody. Another Bobby's Backyard Autoworks here. We are on the 2006 STS. Today we are going to clean the interior, take out the carpet, take out the center console, the two seats, back seat, yeah, and just completely detail it inside and maybe outside. I doubt it though, but just mainly the inside. And then detail the engine compartment. Get that done today too. Pretty disgusting. And like I said, taking out the seats. And I'm gonna clean the seat belts. You'll see how I do that. This one too. Do the seat. Clean up all up in there. But yeah, I'll show you what I do with the seat belts. I did it on the HHR. Came out nice. Pretty disgusting, man. I don't know how people can do this to cars. And the seats that I bought will not work for this car, so I'm starting to take them apart. I'm gonna do that in this video too. Just gotta take off two 10mm bolts right there and the whole seat comes out. The reason why I can't use these seats, I can use the driver's seat if I want to. I really don't need to take that one apart, but it does have heated and the thing there, and it throws a code. It doesn't throw a check engine light, but it throws a code for seats. So I'm just gonna use the originals and switch over the cushions and the skin, dye them black. I'm gonna go with a black interior. And the reason why I couldn't use those seats, those are heated. These are non-heated, as you can see, not heated. And it has this module right there. That module right there. That is a seat sensing module for the airbag to turn on or off if somebody's sitting there. Mine was bad. Guess how much it is to fix it? $1,300, man. $1,300. Cost me more than the freaking car. You can't even see it, but it works. Finally got the airbag light off. Finally got it inspected. It passed. It wouldn't have passed inspection with the airbag light on. I was forced to fix it. Dealer only. I could not find it anywhere. Nowhere. Man, $1,300 to fix that, man. So now I gotta switch these cushions, dye them, use this cushion, but take off the leather, use that leather on this cushion so I can still use the sensor. Crap. So let's get going. All right, I got the seats out. As you can see, the extent of the dirtiness. Pretty dang nasty, but at least I get a lot of change back. There's some in there, here, there's some on the other side. I don't know, maybe I get like 40 bucks or something. But yeah, this is nasty. Like I said, at least it's a two-part carpet. I'm gonna take the front part out, take the back part out. I'm gonna pull out the back seats. Ugh. And I already did all the switcheroo from the seats. Here's the seat cover from the driver's side. I kept the bottom cushion because, like I said, it has that seat present system, that $1,300 part that you can't see. So that's already on those seats over there. And then on the driver's seat, I'm not changing anything. All I did was change the driver seat module so it'll match the original cars. You know how it is, everything's gonna match. So all that's done. I didn't bore you with all that. And then I got all the trim pieces that I got to clean up. And then the seats. Oh, I found gray. I thought I was going to do black, but I didn't know they had gray. So the seats are going to go gray. So the interior is going to be still all gray, which is awesome. So I'm going to do that. And this is for fake leather, and this is not real leather. This is fake leather. It even says here, right here, for simulated leather. This is simulated leather. It's not real. So this will work perfect. Clean them down. These are some of the parts that I don't have in gray. So I'm gonna dye these, and then I got a new ashtray. So I'm gonna dye the whole thing so it matches. And let's check out the driver's side. Like I said, these ones I'm cleaning. Like I said, see, got more change right there. Got more change right there, but yeah, this is filthy. Look at the grime on the steering wheel. Ugh. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Look at that. There's more change down there, and there's more change in here. Yeah, see? You can hear it. Yeah, all up in there. So I'm gonna pull all that change out, clean it. All right, let's pull the carpet out and the back seat. All right, got out as much stuff as I could. There's still stuff underneath the carpet, but in change, wow. I got a lot of change, and there's still some that I'm gonna pick up with the vacuum. But like I said, 40 bucks, there's close to 20 bucks. We're gonna count it and put in my son's little piggy bank that he got yesterday. But yeah, still a lot of cleaning to do, and this stuff is lard. This is lard. I don't know how, but I guess somebody cooked something and spilt. That's nasty, but yeah, that's lard. Here's the center console. Clean that up. Here's the carpet. Comes out in sections, which is cool. I like that. So I'm gonna spray those down, put this on time lapse so you can see the nasty dirt come out. Alright, as for the carpet, came out alright. Could be better, but that's the best I can do. Way better than what it was. That, yeah, it's, I don't know what that is. I think it's coffee. And it continues to the back also. So it's got to be coffee or something. But way, way, way better than before. Here's the center console. Armrest is clean. Just gotta wipe down. Everything in there is clean. Just gotta wipe it down. A little bit of stuff right there. Just touch-ups with the rag. But yeah, that's a lot better. And as for the seat belts, this is what I do. Since they're disconnected from the seat, you pull them all the way out, put degreaser, and then you pressure wash them. Learned that on TikTok. So here's what they look like now, and then I'll pressure wash them. I'll show them again. They are filthy. Alright, just to give you a perspective on how dirty these seat belts are, check it out. Look at that line. That's how dirty they are, both sides. This one was worse because it's the driver, but yeah, see why I do what I do? That's nasty. Let's continue. Alright, so this is how much change came out of the Cadillac. All of this. How much was it, babe?
Like 33 and change?
Yeah, so almost 34 bucks. So I was close to $40. Damn. Good score on this car. Alright, it is the next day. Got the interior pretty much back in. Just need to put the seats in. Came out pretty good. I'm happy with it, man. For what I was working with and what I had, not bad. Back seats, I'm gonna probably dye them. They came out really clean, but there's a lot of scratches and stuff. It's been dyed before. You can tell. Camera, you can't tell, but they are different colors, so I will do those another day. But yeah, man, wow, came out nice. Of course, good old GM faded buttons, but this right here, you couldn't even see ACC or anything, the power button. Now you can. Hell yeah. Then the steering wheel, I got all the gunk off, but it left the white residue behind. So what I'm gonna do is I might get some moisturizer or something and see if that'll take that away. Should, but way better. There's the door panel. Way better. Back door panel. Like I said, back came out pretty good. And here's that new door that I got. Matches that paint that I got. Matches perfect. I painted the whole bezel. Look, it matches. That's awesome. Passenger side. Sorry for the shadows, but you saw how it was last time right here. That was nasty. And the passenger side, yeah, I think they dropped some coffee or something and just never really cleaned it. That's super hard to get out. I mean, I probably can, but I've seen it done. But like I said, I'm happy with it. This looks really, really, really good. I'm gonna put floor mats, so you're not gonna be able to see it. This door. And I already got the seats ready. I gotta clean this one up, take that up. I already started on this one. The gray's coming out pretty good. I gotta put it in the garage, too much wind. So I'm gonna continue on that. And there you have it. The interior totally complete, detail clean. I still gotta put some panels back in on the back, but yeah. Like I said, that's gonna go away once I put floor mats, but dang, man. Check out the seats. Gray. Tight. Totally gray. Here's the front. Seats came out nice. Heck yeah, interior is sweet. Color's pretty close, almost spot on, but I'm gonna redo the, I think I'm gonna dye these gray also, the same color as this one, because as you can see, there's little marks everywhere. So another time, not right now. All right, that's gonna end this video right here. That's gonna end this video on the 2006 STS interior clean and whatever else I did. Like I said, I'm just recording. I don't know where I'm at or whatnot, but stay safe out there. And if this is your first time, please consider subscribing right down the corner. And if you already subscribed, thanks for the support. Please like, share. That helps out the channel. Talk to you guys later.